Hello, and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing Stinger Flynn from Garten of Banban. It's a little jellyfish looking character, so we're going to start off with a dome right above the page. Let's give it a little bit of a good width. And then start up, go across to complete our dome. And once you're done with that, we're just going to add a little bit of a U's for the bottom of the jellyfish. It's going to be U's like this all the way across until you connect to the other side. So that's looking good. And Stinger Flynn just has a really big eye in the middle. So let's add in that. Pretty big eye. And then at the center of the eye, let's add in a black circle with a strong highlight, like so. And all we need to do is add some color to this. Right on the bottom. That's looking great. And Stinger Flynn has a total of 6 feet. Let's draw 2 on the sides first and then 4 on the bottom. We're just going to draw in a U. Go up. And now let's cap it. And we just need to follow the shape back to the body. Same on the other side. A U. And a shape. Cap. And follow back to the body. Once you're done with both arms, the rest are going to be pretty much long feet. So let's go on the outside. Draw in a little squiggly on both sides. And let's draw in a little nub, like so. And just follow it back to the body, like a long ribbon. And then we have 2 more feet on the inside. Let's go right around here. Start the 2 feet. Draw lines. Little nub. Little nub. And same thing. Connect it to the body. Creating a thin ribbon leg. And that is pretty much it. Your drawing is done. Now all we have to do is add some color. This Stinger Flynn is a pretty simple character, so we're going to start off with just some oranges. Let's start off with the lighter one, just for some highlight areas before we move over to the darker one. So I'm going to split this up with 2 highlights here, maybe add 1 on each arm, and then color in a good portion of the top with this lighter orange. Once you're happy with the light areas, add a little bit more of this light area. We could go in with the darker tone. It's a really nice orange color. Make sure to avoid the eye as much as possible because that's going to stay white. And let's fill in the rest of Flynn's body with this nice orange. Comment down below what your favorite step is during this video. Oops, went out a little bit on the lines and the legs, but that's totally fine. Trying to use the tip of my marker now because these legs are fairly thin. But it's okay if you go out a little bit. Still a pretty cool drawing. Almost done. It's looking really cool. I'm glad I used 3 tones. A white, a little bit lighter, and darker for our Flynn. And there you have it. Stinger Flynn from Garten of Banban. If you liked the video, please give a like and subscribe, and if you have any other suggestions, please leave it in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one.